Welcome in Slovenia. We are now in Italy, guys. We have this famous Italian spaghetti. Right now we were sleeping, and we are still in Sutrio. It's a small village in northern Italy. Hi my honey. And today we are going north to Austria one more time to visit the Grossglockner Hochalpenstraße. Then we are going south again to Passo Stalle and to Italy. So that's our route for today. It's almost 10 a.m. The sun is shining strongly today, very strongly, so it's very warm already, like 25 plus. Wow, it's amazing. This is our parking. Was almost here in that neighborhood. That was our apartment right there, and we are almost ready to go. From Sutrio we rode north on curvy road Strada Statale 52 with great views on valley that we came from. That road led us to border with Austria. Just a little over 50 kilometers to start of Grossglockner road, and this was also a great experience full of great views on wonderful mountains. This is the beginning of Grossglockner Hochalpenstraße, and there are the gates. And this road, guys, it costs 30 euros. 30 euros. It's expensive. In that price, you get the sticker. Our first. Nice. And we have also from Slovenia, from Triglav. Grossglockner Hochalpenstraße is the highest road in Austria, and it's also a very important point for every motorcyclist that are choosing this touring direction. Highest elevation is 2,571 meters and total length of road is 48 kilometers. This road was opened first in 1935. I planned to use almost all day here with all possible detours from main route. We had also an amazing luck to weather. It was perfect clear blue sky, beautiful sun and no sign that is gonna change. Our first detour was Kaiser Franz Josef's Höhe restaurant and viewpoint, and here was the first big thing on this trip. I was totally unprepared to see so many people everywhere. Living in Norway made us unused to seeing such crowds and so big traffic, but we enjoyed staying here and seeing everything around us. As you saw, we were shocked by the price of this road, but after riding here and seeing all that you can experience here, I must admit it's very worth it. But I wouldn't recommend taking this route when the weather is bad or very cloudy. Biggest wow here makes the landscape around you. Without it, it's just curvy road that costs 30 euro. We are collecting magnets, fridge magnets. So let's choose another one to our collection. From there we got back to the main road and rode to another detour, Edelweißspitze. But before we got there, we could see, in my opinion, the most beautiful part of this road with truly unbelievable landscape. A very nice spot to eat something. No. Eating time and coffee time. Now on our last viewpoint, and that road there is the road that we are going to take, and this provides to the end of this passage. Very nice road, beautiful views, really long, really many swings. Traffic here is massive, and yeah, of course sometimes it's problematic, but not so much if you are riding carefully, I hope. So we are about to go down now, and of course we're gonna show you the rest of this road. From this moment we were still around 180 kilometers far from our booked place that guys found in Brunico in Italy. We met some serious traffic jams near Zelamse, and temperature there was peaking around 34 Celsius, so it was really hot and really exhausting. I thought that on such elevation temperatures should be much lower, another lesson learned from traveling. Luckily, after some time we rode in a really nice valley, and it helped us cool down a little. In addition, there was also a tunnel, and right after it, payment booth, 12 euros for traveling this way. Okay, we are something like 80 kilometers far from my destination point for today. We are right before Passo Stalle, and it's a connection between Austria and Italy. So we are heading down there and later to that valley, and we are tired, I must say, everyone. It's normal because of the weather and the distance and everything. We are going to have one day off of the bike, so that's going to be very good for us, I think. One more thing about this pass, it has regulated traffic and it's rideable only 15 minutes per hour from each side, so check the schedules on internet. We didn't have luck, so we had to wait over 20 minutes to ride down. At first we didn't understand why this pass is organized this way, but we understood it quickly while riding down. The twisty part is very short, but it's wide enough just for one car. Almost all turns here have 180 degree, so imagine what would happen if two cars meet here. From this point, we were just half hour away from Brunico. Going to be our place for tonight, somewhere there.
So this is our apartment for today, and this is our bed. We have much space here.
We came here between 9 and 10 p.m. and we were surprised that most of restaurants were closing. Apartment owner helped us order pizza for us all. Being in Italy and not even try a pizza is somewhat crime, I think. This was a good dinner after a whole day of riding. That's all in this episode, guys. Like the video and sub to the channel. See you in the next episode. Bye.